सबसे अलग है, सबसे जुदा। सुनो एक नई आवाज, बातें नई है, नया अंदाज। सुनो एक नई आवाज, दिल से है आपके साथ। नया है ये पेशकदम।
Picture this: on the chilly night of December 3rd, 1984, in the sprawling settlements on the outskirts of Bhopal, the night turned into a nightmare. A toxic gas leak from the Union Carbide pesticide plant engulfed the city, claiming thousands of lives and leaving a trail of devastation for years to come. Thanks to the investigative prowess of one determined young journalist, the dark truth was brought to light. The unseen sights of fright and the enduring plight wouldn't have been as easily revealed were it not for the efforts of this young man we are dedicating this episode to today. Welcome listeners to another episode of Radio Peshkadam, where I, Khadija Kamali, delve deep into a heroic tale of investigative journalism. Today, we shine a spotlight on Rajkumar Keswani, a fearless journalist whose relentless pursuit of truth uncovered the chilling cause and effects of the 1984 Bhopal gas tragedy, a catastrophe that left an unforgettable mark on India's history. Before the gas leak occurred in 1984, Keswani repeatedly stated in numerous articles over the preceding 2 years that safety standards at the plant were inadequate and that a major leak could occur with devastating consequences. In 1982, Dow Chemicals, the owners of Union Carbide, sent a team of experts to inspect safety measures at the factory. The report, titled Operational Safety Survey, warned about the potential dangers of methyl isocyanide, a hazardous chemical gas that severely damages the eyes, skin, and lungs of those exposed to it. Additionally, it highlighted other concerns, further underscoring the plant's safety vulnerabilities, which was also corroborated by Keswani in his reportage. Keswani, a Bhopal resident himself, repeatedly warned of the situation in articles and letters to officials. However, his claims were ignored. Despite facing many obstacles and official apathy, Keswani's unwavering dedication to truth and public safety continue to resonate, reminding us of the critical role investigative journalists play in safeguarding society. Going back to the dreadful night that fell between 2nd and 3rd of December 1984, the people of Bhopal woke up coughing violently, with eyes burning as if chili powder had been flung into them. As the irritation grew and breathing became impossible, they fled, some with their families and many without. Small children, old men, and women were pushed in handcarts. By 3 a.m., the main thoroughfares were jammed with an unending and uncontrollable stream of the masses. The streets were foul with vomit. Those who fell were trampled by the crowd. Hospitals were overflowing with no proper medical facilities or answers to what was going on. The worst affected were the children. Unable to walk and breathe, they simply suffocated and died. Following this tragedy, thousands fled to farther towns, away from their homes, abandoning everything they once owned and cherished. What had occurred was a disaster people remember as a failure to our countrymen even today. If it weren't for Keswani's courageous reporting, we still would have been under a blanket of misconception. What is impeccable to note here is how Keswani's legacy transcends his investigative work. His warnings long before the tragedy struck serve as a testament to his dedication to truth and justice. His work not only exposed the horrors of the Bhopal gas tragedy but also sparked global conversations on corporate accountability and environmental safety standards. Keswani held accountable those responsible, pushing for sustainable solutions and a reminder that justice delayed is justice denied, capturing the essence of resilience amidst despair and a community's unwavering spirit. Beginning his professional journey as a sub-editor at Sports Times during his college years, Keswani later became affiliated with well-known media organizations such as New York Times, NDTV, Dainik Bhaskar, the Illustrated Weekly of India, Sunday, India Today, and The Week. He received esteemed accolades throughout his career, including the prestigious B.D. Goenka Award in 1985 and the Prem Bhatia Journalism Award in 2010. On May 21, 2021, Rajkumar Keswani passed away due to post-COVID-19 complications, leaving behind a legacy of fearless journalism and unwavering commitment. At 72, his contributions to investigative journalism and his tireless pursuit of truth continue to inspire journalists worldwide. Keswani's courage lives on in the stories he uncovered and the lives he impacted. As we conclude this episode, let's remember that behind every headline lies a story, and behind every story lies a relentless journalist like Rajkumar Keswani, dedicated to uncovering the truth and seeking justice for the voiceless. Stay tuned for more gripping tales of courage and conviction in our upcoming episodes, where we bring you inspiring journalistic stories from around the world. Until next time, dear listeners, stay curious, stay vigilant, and never underestimate the power of investigative journalism. This is Khadija Kamili for Radio Peshkadam, signing off.
सबसे अलग है सबसे जुदा, सुनो एक नई आवाज़, बातें नई है नया अंदाज, सुनो एक नई आवाज़।